welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another Vlogmas. Welcome back. Got some crown, got some cappuccino, and some Chipotle. Red Bully, Anna, and I got some water. Vinaigrette, you gotta eat the Chipotle with the vinaigrette. Because what are you doing if you not? Okay? I definitely need some chips. I'm happy you got some.
My food.
Mm. So what y'all doing? I'm in Columbus right now, and they Chipotle tastes better than the city. Mm-hmm.
I was gonna say I like my Chipotle.
Mm-hmm.
You want some tortilla chips?
Yes, ma'am.
Henna line.
Henna, lamb.
You got it.
They ran out of chips at the store.
Let's say to do it.
I'll scoot over. Just don't put your feet on me. Mm-hmm. So what y'all like to do for fun? What y'all like to do for fun?
Well, I'm like, stop playing with me. I'm like, oh, this was that good, all right.
So what I get on my bowl is rice, no beans, because beans make you gassy. Tomato, hot sauce, corn, cheese, guacamole,
Yes.
and then this vinaigrette sauce, okay? Because I have to have the sauce with the Chipotle or I'm not eating it. You need the vinaigrette sauce, period. So, I feel like hotels should come with free water. Like, hotels should come with, like, water bottles in the refrigerator. Like, I feel like every hotel should come with water bottles in the refrigerator because hey y'all, so we back for a part 2 of Mukbang. Got some red wine. Got some water. Part 2. We gonna finish the mukbang. I forgot my makeup wipes. But I got some face cleaner. But I really don't feel like taking my makeup off. I just want to go to sleep.